Up to the KS Squad. I can't do all that screaming and stuff because it's like nighttime and it's like, what time is it? Something in the morning. But we about to do unboxing time. So let's see what is in these boxes. So I have this for me. This is like for me. But I like bought this for my mom. So we're gonna see what's inside of here, okay? So this, like I said, is for my mom, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in here after I'm done showing you guys what's in here. Okay, so this is what I got for my mom. It only costs like $4, so that's why I got her that. And yeah, because I didn't want to spend a lot of money but it does look nice, right? Even though it costs like $4. So oh gosh, I forgot to do that thing. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's put that to the side. And I think some of you already know what this is, but let's see. So we got this. Let's take it out the box. I think it has plastic in it. Oh, blah. Okay, so yep, it's charged. But I do got a charger and some things inside of there, but I'll get to that. Okay? So like there's some little games on there and stuff like that. So yeah, there's a little game thing, and here's a thing to connect to the TV like that. And here's the charger. I just need the block to it, and I got the block. So, and here's the instruction book right here. So yeah, so there. I just need to put it back in the box. So, I'm gonna put this back. Oh yikes! So yeah, I'm gonna put that up there, and yeah, guys. So yeah, that's all what I really got for today, and stuff. So because it's like I told y'all, like, I didn't know what the time was because I didn't get to really see it. So, yeah. But I know I am tired and stuff. But I was just, and here's the headphones to the thing. I just need to rip it up. Okay, because I don't like my headphones to be getting that tingly and stuff. So I need to get it right. So yeah, guys. So that's what I had to tell y'all and stuff like that. So see y'all in the next video. Peace. This is Love you.